welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 9 key lessons I've learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator needs to know. So recently, I've been watching YouTube videos with the mindset of a new and rising creator. I don't want to use the word small creator because I believe our words have life. So if you're a rising creator like myself and you're watching this video, welcome to my channel. Let's learn and grow together. So, I've been soaking a lot of wisdom from both new and old creators doing well on the YouTube space, and they are all from different niches: YouTube growth advice, Christian content, business advice, financial tips, entertainment, podcast, which means there's a lot to learn in this video. So let's dive right in. First lesson I've learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator should know is being genuine matters. People love to connect with real people. People love people who are not afraid to be real, and it is the foundation for a strong YouTube presence. Your stories, your perspectives, your opinions, your experiences are unique to you, and nobody else can share them the way you can. And it is way easier to be yourself than to be anyone else because you are already you. There is less pressure when you embrace who you truly are. While watching these videos, I realized I was more drawn to creators who are not afraid to be real, who are open to sharing their struggles and their journey, their beliefs, and not afraid to share their faith as part of their success stories. I've learned from YouTube videos that being genuine builds deeper connections and makes your content more relatable and more impactful. Second lesson I've learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator should know is good consistency is key. I noticed when I watch these videos that creators who upload consistently, especially new creators, tend to look more serious on YouTube, and viewers tend to identify with them because they seem to be more attractive. It's like there's something about consistency that makes you look like you're serious with YouTube, and viewers tend to identify with you. So what do I mean by good consistency? I mean uploading good videos regularly or almost regularly, but with a consistent improvement on your videos and overall in your channel. So sometimes you may not be as consistent as you planned due to something called life, but trying your best to stick to a consistent schedule with consistent improvement is good consistency. And good consistency helps build trust with your viewers, and it encourages long-term growth. And we all know that YouTube encourages and rewards good consistency. The third lesson I learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator should know is growth takes time. Many creators we admire today, especially top performing creators, they started many years ago. When I checked their about profiles, many started over 10 years ago, a few over 5 years ago. So it should give you comfort as a new creator, knowing that their success did not happen overnight. So don't expect your success to also happen overnight. The initial slow growth will happen, but one day you will pass it. One day your channel will gain momentum and you won't feel like growth is slow anymore, as long as you keep doing what you're supposed to do on this YouTube phase. So it should give you comfort as a new creator, knowing that growth takes time, that many successful creators today didn't just blow up overnight, they did the work. So while we are doing the work, and even if it looks like we're not gaining momentum, it looks like we are stuck, it looks like there is no growth, or sometimes you feel like your channel is stagnant, just keep doing the right things, uploading your videos, being consistent. Then one day, that slow growth initial phase, it will pass. In summary, I would say that every new creator should focus on steady progress, not instant results, because growth takes time. What lesson I learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator should know is comparison is a trap. Comparison is a trap that will limit you. While watching these videos, I noticed that no two creators were the same. They were different in every sense. Was it their style of delivery? Was it the organization of their content? Was it their personality or their expressions? They were all different. And the funny thing was, I loved them because they were different. It was their uniqueness that drew me to their channels. I didn't want to go on different creators' channels and see the same type of creator or the same face. It would be boring. So it is what that makes you unique that people will come for you for. Or let me say it again. It is that thing that makes you unique that will stand you out, and that is what people, your viewers, will love you for. So embrace your uniqueness rather than comparing yourself with another creator. And let's change the word comparison. Instead of comparison, why not learn from other creators, see what you like in them and try to learn how to do it, not change who you are. So still remain who you are, but be the best version of yourself by learning from other creators rather than comparing yourself and bringing yourself down. Rather, watch them, learn from them, gain motivation from them, and be the best version of yourself. Because those who come to your channel to watch you are watching you because of who you are. So don't let comparison become a trap to limit you. Rather, learn from other creators and become a better version of yourself. The fifth lesson I learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator should know is creativity grows with time. When I watched these videos and I saw some creators coming on YouTube, posting 3 or 4 times in a week, and I was asking myself, how are they doing it? How can you record videos and you are posting 4 times in a week, 3 times in a week, and each time you don't look tired on screen? You have things to say. You are saying things that are different. I was asking myself, how are they doing it? Can I keep up? But I just realized that creativity goes with time. For instance, for the past about 1 week or more, I've not posted any video because I wasn't feeling too well. So coming back to record this video right now, this is the 3rd time I'm recording it because I felt like I couldn't do YouTubing anymore. I came to the camera and I couldn't talk. I was stuttering, I was making mistakes, and I was asking myself, what happened to me? Wasn't I the one that posted videos before? Why does it look like I'm learning all over again? It was because I gave it time. Yes, it was something called life that happened. I wasn't feeling too well. Then my kids were on holiday. It was just a whole messy period for me. But now I'm back and I'm posting. And I realized on my 3rd time trying to record this video, I was better than the first 2 times because I was practicing. So creativity grows with time. The more you create content, the more creative you will be. For the YouTubers you admire out there, those who have been on the YouTube space for long, that it seems like they speak and they are perfect and they are public speakers or they are good orators, is because they have been practicing. They've mastered the art of storytelling, of YouTubing, of teaching. So if they could do it, why can't you? So I choked on my 5th point, but you got the gist. Creativity grows with time. Which leads us to our 6th lesson that I learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator needs to know is focus on creating for your target audience. I noticed while watching these videos that I knew what I wanted to get from certain creators because they were producing content to meet my needs. As humans, we are complex with a variety of needs. Also, as YouTubers and creators, and even consumers, viewers, we have variety of needs. Sometimes you want entertainment, sometimes you want motivation, sometimes you want business advice. You know certain channels to go to. Why do you go to those channels? Why do you subscribe to them? Because they are satisfying those needs. They are producing content for you. And what does this tell us? It means to grow on YouTube, your channel should not revolve around your own personal interests alone, but around what your audience is seeking. It means you are producing content not for you, but for your target audience. You know the kind of audience you want to attract to your channel. You know the kind of viewers you want. You know the kind of subscribers you want. Those are your target audience. So you tailor your content to fit what they are looking for. Answer questions that they might be asking. Let your content be like solutions to problems they might be facing. That is how you grow your community. That is how you grow your channel and attract the right audience to your channel. And when they know that each time they come to your page, you are either answering one question or you are fixing one problem, with time, they will subscribe to your channel. With time, they will trust you. Like we said, consistency is key. When they say you're consistently meeting their needs, they will one day subscribe to your channel. And we said that growth takes time. So even if initially you are producing for your target audience and you're not seeing that growth, it doesn't mean you will stop or you will give up or become discouraged. What does it mean? It means you are growing, but it will take time. So one day, when they see that you are actually trusted and reliable because you are still on that space, they will subscribe to you, and that is how you will see growth. So focus on creating for your target audience, and then your target audience will find you and they would engage with you, and then you start seeing momentum on your channel, and from there you will grow on your YouTube channel. The seventh lesson I've learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator should know is engage and stay updated in your community. A community is a group of people who share common interests, and on the YouTube space, your community are those of you that enjoy the same type of content, either as a consumer or as a creator. So how do you stay engaged in your community? By responding to comments in your comment section. When you have comments on your videos, either your shorts or your community tab, then as a subscriber or a viewer, when you watch content from creators who are posting things similar to you or who you have gained value from, like their videos, drop comments, support them, subscribe to their channel, because it's actually not fair if you keep watching videos from a creator and you're gaining value, but yet you just refuse to subscribe. Just drop it here that if you've gained any value from watching my video, kindly hit the subscribe button and give my video a thumbs up. So as I was saying, you can also engage by going through their comment section and hear or read what their viewers are saying. From there, you can get information. You can even get ideas to generate content for your own videos. That is how you engage with your community as a creator and as a subscriber or a viewer. And who knows, the more you engage, you might spark up a collaboration or a friendship on YouTube. Nobody knows, but it's good as you're expecting support on your channel, you're expecting comments, you're expecting likes. Also do same when you watch from creators just like you who are seeking support, who are doing good videos, who you have gained value from. That is how to stay updated and engage within or in your community. Down to our eighth lesson, which I learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator should know, is balance evergreen topics with trending topics and with your own topics. What do I mean? Evergreen topics are topics that do not go out of style. We'll call them timeless topics. I noticed when I'm watching these videos and I search for certain topics on YouTube, there were videos recommended to me that were uploaded 10 years ago, 5 years ago. Why? Because those topics are evergreen topics. They don't go out of style. For instance, how to start a YouTube channel, equipment you need to start a YouTube channel. These are topics that people will still keep searching for in the future. So if you have such topics within your niche, try to produce videos on those topics. Who knows, in the future, your video may go viral. Your video may be the one that would vibe with certain kind of viewers in the future. So any topic you know you have within your niche that is an evergreen topic, please produce videos on those topics because they are timeless and they don't go out of style. Then trending topics, we all know what trending topics are. Trending means it is happening now. So any topic that you know is getting vibes and traction in your niche at this moment or at a particular period, jump on it, read about it, say your own perspective about that topic. Just make sure you produce a video on that topic. Such topics, they make your channel appear fresh, like you're also part of the group or set of YouTubers that know what is happening in your niche. So it also gives your channel a fresh look. So make sure your channel, your videos are a mixture of fresh evergreen topics and trending topics, and also your topics, because you also have topics that are relevant that you want to post about that may not fall within trending or evergreen. Also post your topics, but make sure there is a balance. It gives your channel this beautiful balance of topics and ideas. This brings us to our final lesson, a very important lesson that is the essence of my being, that is the foundation of who I am today. The ninth lesson I learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator must know is God's timing is the best. After you've done everything, the previous 8 lessons, after you've applied them to your life as a YouTuber, as a creator, on your channel, remember that it is God who gives the power to create wealth. It is God who crowns our efforts with success. And in His own time, you will make it. Which means you should never give up. Have faith, because you could do all this and still ask yourself, why is my channel not growing? Why are people not subscribing? Why am I monetized and not seeing the money? Why is it the CRM they call it? Why is it low? Why am I not getting so much dollars or pounds or money? When you get to that point, who else do you want to turn to? But God. He's the only one that can give you peace in the midst of your storm. So if your storm is low growth, slow growth, stagnancy, who will give you peace in the storm? Jesus, God. After all said and done, God's timing is the best. You could grow fast if it's His will, or grow normal growth, whichever way. After you've done everything and you've tried your best, just be rest assured that God's timing is the best. The timing for your monetization, He knows it. The timing for you to get your first YouTube paycheck, He knows it. The timing for you to get your big collaboration, He knows it. The timing for you to keep growing in subscriber counts, He knows it. So if you trust in His timing, you will keep having faith in His words, and you will not give up no matter the challenges, and you will keep giving your best, because you can't be asking the Creator to bless you when you've not done the work. So you will do your best by telling Him you trust in Him. That's why you're working so hard, and ask Him to bless you, knowing that in His timing, that blessing will come. So that brings us to the end of our video, which is so if you trust in His timing, you will keep having faith in His words, and you will not give up no matter the challenges, and you will keep giving your best, because you can't be asking the Creator to bless you when you've not done the work. So you will do your best by telling Him you trust in Him. That's why you're working so hard, and ask Him to bless you, knowing that in His timing, that blessing will come. This brings us to the end of this beautiful video about the 9 lessons I learned from watching YouTube videos that every new creator should know. So tell me, what did you learn? Drop it in the comment section. I will respond to every comment like I have done in my previous videos. If you enjoyed this video or you gained value, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to grow this community of beautiful and real people. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.